Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of our weekly analysis. Last week was another awesome week. Uh, US oil, we are projecting for buys. We're looking out for price to bounce off the broken structure and push higher. And that is exactly what price did. It was also an awesome week. Gold did the same. We were expecting price to push higher. Gold did push higher, rejected around this rejection area. So currently, it ended with some bets. Pound USD was the only pair that we did not get much return because I expected price to push all the way to 1.3231 price level before giving the correction. But in as much as it did not do that, we did catch the sell through our live stream sessions. Then, of course, US30 did exactly as we expected and went all the way to the ultimate target, which, of course, we're expecting price to hit the first target at 34,944, which is a retest of this previous rejection area. Then, of course, continue towards this overall target, which was 35,369. So last week was awesome. Don't forget, I remain your humble host, Mr. Wex. Let's rush in without wasting much time into this week's analysis. What are my expectations? So quickly, let's start with the USD index as usual. So on the index, we could see that price dropped, breaking the demand zone. Then we saw price rejecting around 99.69, retesting this previous broken structure. So my expectation would be very simple. So let's step to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, there are still potentials of we seeing price drop towards this ultimate demand zone. So I'm going to be expecting the base to continue this week. So I'm going to be expecting base to continue this week on the USD index. So with this in place, it therefore means that this week I would like to see a weaker USD. So now let's return back to gold. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that price did create a rejection level, and we have seen that last week closed as a small bullish candle, though we saw a rejection, price rejecting the highs. Then, of course, this pattern signifies or denotes a continuation pattern, because if you take a look at this imbalance right here, with this soy price confirmed with a strong bullish candle the last 2 weeks. Now my expectation would be price to continue bullish in line with the USD index. So if we are expecting the index to go down, then gold should continue bullish. So I'll be expecting a bullish continuation on gold, stepping down to the daily time frame. I would like to see a rejection at this previous demand zone. So basically, right about this area, I am expecting any rejection to come in the lower time frame, maybe the H4, the H1. Then, of course, price should push higher. This is what I'm expecting on gold. So to be on the safer side, you have to wait to see price take out Friday's high. Then, of course, we can join the buys, looking forward for price to hit the 2015 zone or 2015 price level, which is this area right there, this previous supply zone. Now moving on to US oil. US oil, of course, I'm going to be expecting more bulls. Price action depicts bulls. So I'm going to be expecting price to take up previous high. Then of course, then we can have more confirmation for price to push higher, targeting 79.48 price level. So we are still bullish when it comes to US oil. My expectation on GBP USD is going to be bullish. Right now, we can see that price is retesting previous broken structure. So then again, I'm going to be waiting patiently to see Friday's high taken out. So Friday's high taken out, then we should see price push in the bullish direction. This is also in correlation to what my expectations are on the USD index. Finally, let's look at my expectation on US30. Please, so far, if you have enjoyed the content, please kindly click the like button and share as well. If you have not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified each time I drop a content or each time I come online for the live stream. Thank you. On US30, if I step up to the weekly time frame, now last week closed strongly bullish. My expectation would be to see price correct before we could see a possible bullish continuation. If you take a critical look at what happened at this area previously, this is in 2022, you will realize that there are a lot of sellers at this zone. So my expectation would be maybe to see price push a little bit back into this area. Then of course we are going to see a nice drop to the downside. So we're going to be staying on the daily time frame, watching out for price action. Then of course I will be joining the trade as the price unfolds. So basically this week I will be looking out for more sales on US30. Now the month is drawing to a close. So let's take a look at some of the fundamental that will be interesting to us this coming week. So this week, there are some of this red news that you have to pay attention to. So on Monday, basically we have the PMI coming in on Monday. So it's worthy to note that you might pay attention to that as well. On Tuesday, we do not really have much thing to pay attention to. So Tuesday, of course, is going to be a technical day. Then, of course, Wednesday, we have home sales that we might be paying attention to. We also have the interest rate coming in. This is going to be massive. All right. So do not trade with that. Taking a look at your fundamental calendar on Wednesday, because it's going to be awesome. The month is drawing to an end. Then, of course, Thursday is going to be back to back, as we have a lot of red news on Thursday. Then, of course, Friday as well. GBP is expected to have some significant move because of the release we are having here in the Eurozone. Then, of course, we might be seeing some movement also coming in favor of the USD, or to give us more volatility on the USD page to close the week. So basically, this is it on the fundamental aspect of it. So this is my perspective when it comes to this coming week's analysis. So I hope to see you in our live stream so that we can redefine our entry and maximize our profit. This is me signing out. Thank you for staying with me. Bye.